Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. What I have today is a Wilka Euro cylinder. I'm not sure what the model name would be, but it's got a little O right here. Like Wilka, oh sorry, pay attention to the camera. Wilka with an O under it, and it is one naughty little lock. There's our keyway. Let's see if we can see where the pins are in there. Now, what I've learned about this lock is it only responds to brute force. Let me turn this just a little bit, and you'll see what I mean. I'm going to use substantial tension. Like normally my finger would just kind of rest there. I'm going to be cranking down on the tension. I'm going in with what I believe is the Attila pick. Now, it is locked up. I don't have a key from it. This is the one I got from PickBeard over on the UKLS forums. By the way, if you haven't been, go check it out. It's uklocksport.co.uk. Great people there, great people. Anyway, heavy tension, super heavy, like bending my tension wrench at the bend right there. Super duper heavy. Dropped into a really deep false set. That's the first time that's happened. Well, I may have to actually pick this. First time I've seen it go into a false set. Usually it just opens right on up. So weird. I bent my pick a little bit there. There we go. And it's open. But to illustrate my point, I'm going to open it one more time, because this was crazy fast how fast it opens. There. And that's the Wilka. I guess I'm gonna call it the Wilka O. You can see the little, all you can really see there is my lack of focus. The little O underneath it. I wonder what that means. I'm gonna go ahead and gut this. Get my little box of crap here. Kind of rings on, oh shit. Okay, that's a solid ring. I may break it getting it off. I'll just have to find another one to put on there. All right. It came off easier than I expected. I did mangle it a little bit, but it came off quite easy. Yeah, I really wasn't expecting to find a false set on that lock, because the first 7 or 8 times I opened it, I managed to open it in about 10 seconds. Ooh, about screwed that up. All right. Pin 1, serrated, standard in 2, serrated in 3, serrated in 4, serrated in 5, and serrated in 6. Wow, they love their serrated pins, don't they? These are the key pins. Alright, I'll show you a close-up of the pins once I get them all out. I just realized that everything was out of focus there. I do apologize. Alright, pin 6, standard. Standard. Spool. Another spool. A standard. And a standard. Alright, all the springs appear to be the same, but I'll pull one just to show you. I wish I had that dental pick that Turk Matt sent me on me. It's somewhere in my desk, not doing me a bit of good. I need to put it on in here. All right. Now to show you these pins, I'm hoping that the serrations will show up on those key pins. Yeah, there we go. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. Thank you PickBeard for the lock. It was a lot of fun. Whole lot of fun. I'm still working on mastering those Tesas or Tesas. Those things are just evil. But thank you very much PickBeard. And thank you everyone for watching. Y'all have a great day. See you later.